Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Regan and I am in Chichen Itza in the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, and I'm standing in front of the famous pyramid that you see in all of the pictures. One of the really interesting things that the ancient Mayans believed is they believed it connected them to the underworld and to the sky, so the temple is like an intermediary. Now, the underworld, or the ground, was not considered negative by them. It was a really big positive because the ground represented fertility. And this reminds me about reliability-centered maintenance. When it comes to doing reliability-centered maintenance, the most important resource are the equipment experts. Because our equipment experts are those people who know the equipment and the operating environment best. They understand how things fail, what causes them to fail, and how each failure matters. In our reliability vocabulary, that means consequences. So not only is it valuable to do an RCM analysis with equipment experts because they've got a lot of the data that we don't have in our stored databases, but it is also a way to formally document their experience and their knowledge. So if anyone decides to leave for a different opportunity, or maybe an equipment expert decides to retire, now you have got their experience and their knowledge memorialized in your RCM analysis. So there you have it. Take it from the ancient Mayans and use one of your most valuable resources when you do reliability-centered maintenance, and that is your equipment experts. I'm Nancy Regan from the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Thank you for watching.